Hi viewers, welcome to Crafting Natural Beauty. Driftwood Art Designs. In today's video, we will explore the art of transforming weathered driftwood into stunning pieces of decor that brings the beauty of nature into your home. Our journey begins with the collection of driftwood. Each piece tells a story of its journey through the current of the sea. Once collected, it's important to clean the driftwood to remove any impurities or debris. Light sanding can bring out the nature texture. Designing your driftwood art piece is where your creative shines from wall hangings or sculptures. The possibilities are endless. Carefully arrange the driftwood according to your design. Secure the piece using a strong adhesive and ensuring your creation stays intact. To truly capture the essence of the ocean, consider adding small decorative elements that enhance the natural beauty of your art. Applying a clear sealant not protects your driftwood creation but also brings out the rich colors and texture of the wood. And there you have it, a stunning driftwood art piece ready to grace your living space with its unique charm. Carefully arrange the driftwoods in your art design. We use a beads, laces, or other things we use it. If we use giggly eyes to make any other shapes, animals, face, or other things. We use driftwoods designs to create our offices, schools, and our home decor decoration ideas. Thank you watching. Thank you for joining on this journey of crafting natural beauty through driftwood art design. Unleash your creativity and let the ocean's magic. Thank you for watching.